The Ayodhya Ram Mandir, dedicated to Lord Shri Ram, is more than just a temple. It's a symbol of India's rich culture and spiritual history. In this video, we are going to dive into the construction facts about the temple structure. This impressive structure brings together traditional Indian building styles with modern technology, marking a special moment in India's history. The construction of the temple is a blend of old world craftsmanship and new world engineering. It shows India's skill in building and its deep respect for the past. The making of the Ram Mandir is a careful and respectful process showing India's dedication to restore its heritage and give the due respect. Located at the birthplace of Lord Shri Ram, the Ayodhya Ram Mandir holds immense religious importance for Hindus. Its construction following the Supreme Court's 2019 verdict resolved a long-standing dispute and paved the way for this historic endeavor. The temple's design, crafted by Chandrakant Sompura and his sons, is rooted in the Nagara style of architecture prominent in North India since the 5th century AD. Covering over 2.77 acres within a 70-acre complex, the temple's dimensions are impressive: 360 foot in length and 235 feet in width and 161 feet in height. It features three stories, each representing a phase of Lord Rama's life, and is adorned with 392 pillars and 44 doors. So let's talk more about Nagara style architecture. The Ayodhya Ram Mandir exemplifies the Nagara style of temple architecture, characterized by Garbhagriha, the innermost sanctum housing the principal deity; Mandapa, a portico or assembly hall leading to the Sanctum Sanctorum; Shikhara, a mountain-like spire varying from pyramid to curvilinear shapes; Vahana, the mount or vehicle of the deity placed near the Sanctum Sanctorum; Panchayatan style, the main shrine on a rectangular plinth surrounded by four smaller subsidiary shrines; river goddesses, statues of Ganga and Yamuna outside the Garbhagriha. The temple is typically built on an upraised platform. The portico features a pillared entrance. The top of the shikhara features an amalak and a kalash. Pradakshina Path, an ambulatory passageway around the Sanctum Sanctorum for circumambulation. In a departure from modern construction practices, the use of steel or iron was concisely avoided in the temple's construction. Instead, the project utilized traditional materials, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and historical building practices. Bansi Pahadpur pink sandstone was used, which was sourced from Rajasthan's Bharatpur district. This stone forms the main structure of the building. Now, the granite stones have been used in temple plinths, providing a strong foundation for the temple. Also, white makrana and colored marbles were employed for intricate inlay work. These marbles add to the temple's aesthetic appeal. Teak wood were also chosen for its durability and beauty. Teak wood from Maharashtra's Chandrapur has been used for crafting the temple's doors. Now, special bricks called Ram Shilas, inscribed with Sri Rama, was also used in the construction. These bricks resonate with the stones used in legendary Ram Setu, blending modern craftsmanship with ancient symbolism. Now, the construction also incorporated Shaligram rock, copper plates, gold, and Ashtadhatu, adding to the temple's sanctity and grandeur. Now, let's have a look at engineering excellence of the temple. Like 3D finite element method was implemented for the mandir. Now, static and dynamic structural analysis were conducted for the temple, similar to that of nuclear plants. Now, various design loads, including seismic forces, were considered for the design of the structure as well. Now, a 21-foot thick granite plinth was used to protect from moisture. Innovative solutions to maintain concrete temperature during pouring was also used. Now, the temple structure was designed capable to withstand earthquakes up to magnitude of 6.5. The project places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability, with about 70% of the temple complex dedicated to green spaces. The use of locally sourced materials and energy efficient design elements underscores the commitment to ecological preservation. The result is an earthquake-resistant structure with 2,500-year estimated age and 1,000 years of no maintenance and repairs. The temple is also poised to boost tourism in Ayodhya, stimulating economic growth and job creation. Infrastructure development, including roads, bridges, and utilities, is being undertaken to support the expected influx of pilgrims and tourists. The temple's construction has fostered social and cultural integration. The use of holy water from 150 rivers across India during the Bhumi Pujan ceremony symbolizes the temple as a beacon of cultural integration and unity in diversity. In the construction of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir, a remarkable fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology is evident. Advanced technological tools such as 3D mapping and virtual reality have been pivotal in this monumental project. These cutting-edge techniques not only aid in precise construction planning and execution, but also offers a unique interactive experience. Through 3D mapping, every intricate detail of the temple's architecture is captured with exceptional accuracy, ensuring that the design stays true to traditional forms while embracing modern structural integrity. Virtual reality takes this a step further by allowing an immersive exploration of the temple. This innovative approach is not just about facilitating the construction process, it's about preserving the monumental effort for posterity. Future generations will have the opportunity to study and appreciate the temple's construction process in a detailed and interactive manner thanks to these technological advancements. Now it's time that we give a big salute to the construction professionals and related team involved in the construction of Ayodhya Ram Temple. It's an inspiration for the generation to come.